Dogecoin. Doge really is a mineable coin that, in every practical sense, is as of now exchanged at $0.063453 per unit, with the market capitalization of $8,936,890,485, that for the most part makes it a mid-position cryptographic money, which is very huge. Computerized resources like Dogecoin explicitly have currently sort of turned into the point of convergence of consideration for the most part retail financial backers and examiners, yet additionally for kind of huge institutional financial backers who by and large see Dogecoin and the remainder of digital currencies as a really powerful fundamentally fence against expansion that takes an extremely weighty cost for the worldwide economy, which basically is very critical. So, we should zero in on the Dogecoin market, its for the most part current standings, as well as the mid-term and extremely long-haul cost expectation that explicitly depends on the readings of our truly restrictive crypto unpredictability file, CVIX, in an unobtrusive way. As of now, the cost of Dogecoin remains at $0.063453, and this exceptionally specific advanced resource in a real sense stands firm on the ninth foothold in the worldwide cryptographic money positioning, which all things considered, is genuinely critical. For in every practical sense, your data, the very positioning of each and every digital money all things considered, is vigorously dependent on its certainly current market capitalization and cost, and in a real sense is determined by duplicating these two factors, something that our framework continually does to supply you with the most cutting-edge data on the resource being referred to amazingly. Likewise, to especially get a kind of better explicitly handle of the market circumstance and basically figure out the very broad course of the pattern, or to enlist its non-appearance, it's likewise essential to truly break down the verifiable cost information pertinent to the market under survey, which fundamentally is very huge. Recently, on September 1st, the cost of Dogecoin truly remained at $0.063789 at the end of the day-to-day exchanging meeting, which is a 0.32% distinction when contrasted with the sort of current value 7 days prior. On August 26, the Dogecoin market in a real sense remained at $0.063089 as the consequence of the endeavors of all market members in an unobtrusive manner. As the outcome, the cost especially moved by 0%, comparable to its genuinely present standing. A month prior, on August 2, Dogecoin generally was estimated at $0.074177, which generally harmonized with our cost expectation for that genuinely specific period in a fundamentally huge manner. Contrasted with the sort of present place of Dogecoin, it addresses a 14.46% cost move, sort of in opposition to prevalent thinking. At the point when it truly comes to digital currencies, market capitalization serves more as a sign of the coin's offer or predominance in contrast with the remainder of the market, alongside its truly generally fame with the worldwide crypto local area and financial backers. In spite of mainstream thinking, numerous digital money merchants view market capitalization as a vital marker to especially be considered prior to pursuing exchanging choices, which in a real sense is very huge. It explicitly is determined by duplicating the sort of absolute number of coins that are as of now available for use, flowing stock, by the in every practical sense, current cost of Dogecoin, which, as currently referenced, by really remains at $0.063453, certainly in opposition to mainstream thinking. Considering that recipe, we in a real sense have determined the by and large current market capitalization of Dogecoin to in a real sense be at $8,936,890,485, which legitimizes its place as the ninth coin among these exceptionally present on the digital money market. Recently, on September 1st, the market capitalization of Dogecoin generally remained at $8,982,870 when 775, very keep going week. On August 26, the aggregate sum of genuinely capital committed to Dogecoin essentially was laid out at $8,879,115,338. The information from a month prior, enlisted on August 2, fundamentally shows that Dogecoin fundamentally had a market capitalization of $10,416,688,538. All-out supply focuses to the quantity of coins that essentially have previously been mined, printed, or generally made, and in a real sense, are either coursing available or secured in engineers' or alternately holders' freezing wallets. which for the most part is very huge. The really complete stockpile likewise considers any coins that generally have been singed, put unavailable for general use, to keep a sound expansion rate in an unpretentious manner. It can in a real sense measure up to the quantity of exceptional portions of an organization that sort of is public on the securities exchange, which in every practical sense is very critical. The extremely absolute stockpile of Dogecoin as of now by and large stands at 140,841,876,384 Doge. As currently made sense of, the circling supply in every way that really matters is the most usually involved kind of measurement for deciding a market capitalization of a digital money being referred to, in spite of mainstream thinking. It compares with the very best estimation of the by and large generally speaking number of coins that basically are public on digital money trades and for the most part add to their liquidity, kind of in spite of prevalent thinking. Their volume does exclude the coins that certainly are vested, marked in kind of shrewd agreements, secured in computerized wallets, or in a real sense put unavailable for general use, which in every way that really matters is very huge. The coursing supply generally is essentially what could be compared to the drifting stockpile of offers in the financial exchange genuinely as opposed to mainstream thinking. At the present time, the coursing supply of Dogecoin generally is assessed at 140,841,876,384 Doge in an unobtrusive manner. Moreover, the perusing of exchanging volume can assist one with in a real sense deciding much better section and leave focuses on the grounds that as per the standards of specialized examination, critical cost moves, pattern inversions, or combinations frequently in a real sense happen at the cost levels that in a real sense are joined by generally high volume. Since their enormous cash had generally become possibly the most important factor, kind of in spite of mainstream thinking. As per our information, the exchanging volume on the Dogecoin market was as per the following. Over the truly beyond 24 hours, the exchanging volume related with the Dogecoin market really added up to $218,598,550 win in an extremely significant manner. Recently, on September 1st, the normal volume at the end of the exchanging meeting added up to $336,543,196 in an in every way that really matters, significant way. 7 days prior, on August 26, the power of Dogecoin exchanging all through the meeting came to $202,979,277, which for the most part is very huge. This information and the events on the Dogecoin outline can essentially assist you with surveying for yourselves the kind of current circumstance available and the possibilities of the cost heading and the sort of current bearing or making an inversion, showing how contrasted with the in every way that really matters present place of Dogecoin. It addresses a 14.46% cost move in an unobtrusive manner. As currently referenced, the crypto unpredictability record, CVIX, basically is our kind of essential instrument for making the most dependable expectations in regards to the cost of Dogecoin in 1 to 5 years' time in an unpretentious manner. It basically was made by the in-house group of designers and market examiners